Make $400 a day online with those 7 easy methods. Have you ever wondered how to add another $400 daily doing online hustles to your income? Well, in this video, I'm going to reveal 7 easy yet proven methods anyone regardless of experience can start earning $400 a day. So whether you are looking to boost your income or even replace your day job, those methods are beginner friendly and effective. Plus, I have tested them extensively to ensure they work. Let's dive in. Method number 1. Do you know that you could be earning about $400 per day online? Then creating your online YouTube channel could be your ticket. But what if you don't want to show your face? Well, it's totally possible to run a faceless YouTube channel, and creating viral video without showing my face was actually how I got started in the online world. Imagine this, creating a YouTube channel where you don't even have to appear on camera. At first, I made all of the video myself. Those were top 10 videos, list videos, and other content across different niches. If you are curious about the best niches, I have got videos on my channel that discuss deeply into that. Let's break down some math to see how you can make $400 per day with a faceless YouTube channel. Suppose you accept the challenge and upload 100 videos over the next few months. You optimize them like I show you, and they start getting consistent views. Let's say each video averages 200 views per day. Realistically, not all videos will get the same amount of views daily. Typically, 90% of your views come from just 10% of your videos. But if we average it out and each video gets 200 views per day with a $20 CPM, cost per month, which means the amount of money you make per 1,000 views, each video makes $4 per day. Not much, right? But multiply that by 100 videos and boom, you are making $400 per day. Now, you might think $20 per 1,000 views is unrealistic. Not at all. If we check out high CPM niches YouTube channels, you will see them pulling up to $30 per 1,000 views, making anywhere from $30,000 to $100,000 monthly. My automation channels about health and wealth earn at least $10 per 1,000 views. Why? Because some niches attract higher paying advertisers. Finance, technology, health, investing, and real estate are just a few examples of high CPM niches. Method number 2. Another solid method for making $400 per day is selling digital products. Those can be ebook, guides, or any digital item that does not require a fulfillment cost every time someone buys it. Platforms like Gumroads are perfect for this. For example, let's head over to Gumroads, and here you can see popular categories like business, money, education, and self-improvement. One standout example is a guide called How to Prompt ChatGPT in 2024. Priced at $89 with 3,324 sales, it has likely made over $296,000. Even if not everyone leaves a review, the potential earnings are massive to make $400 per day. You could sell a $40 product to 10 people, a $80 product to 5 people, or $200 product to just 2 people. I suggest aiming for 1 or 2 sales of a $200 to $400 product because it's a simpler. Creating a digital product requires some knowledge on your chosen topic. For instance, the author of How to Prompt ChatGPT in 2024 clearly know a lot about ChatGPT. But what should be the contents of a guide? Just start with Google Docs, and it should include text, images, and examples of successful testimonies. Then just export your guides as a PDF, upload it to Gumroad, and you are set. And to quickly boost the traffic to your digital product, I recommend using YouTube and other social media platforms. Method number 3. Selling online courses is another excellent way to make $400 per day, and it's a method used by many to make up to $10,000 daily. Creating a course might sound daunting, but you only need to know more than the average person about the topic to teach it. A course is simply a collection of videos and you don't need to show your face. You can use a screen recorder like OBS and Google Slides for visual. If you charge $400 for your course, one sales per day equals $12,000 per month. Promote your course to YouTube, but if you lack expertise in a topic, consider partnering with someone who already has a course. This leads us to the next method. Method number 4. Partnering with someone who has an existing course or product to promote it as an affiliate can also generate $400 per day. Those high payout partners product can pay you over $100 per sales. For example, the course I bought about e-commerce is available on the Digital Store 24 marketplace, and affiliates can earn a 50% commission. They pay over $500,000 to affiliates because they believe in true partnership, and it works, meaning that they already earn at least that much money. And if you promote an $800 courses with a 50% commission, you only need to make one sales a day. To get traffic to your high payout partner product, you can use YouTube channels, Instagram pages, blogs, articles, and online communities. Method number 5. While high payout partner products are great, promoting low payout partner product can also make you $400 per day if they have a monthly subscription model. Software product often fits this bill. For example, promoting a software product like NodeLayer, which help people change and protect the VPN address, can earn you 30% recurring commission for life. If the average use pay $100 per month, you get $30 monthly per customers. Referring 400 customers can earn you $400 daily. To promote software, you could create a YouTube channel reviewing different software products, like my closet friend and my university days who make over $20,000 per month and stop his 9-to-5 traditional jobs. By signing up as an affiliate, you can earn recurring income without consistently need new sales. Method number 6. Running Instagram team pages is another way to make $400 per day. Those are niche pages often related to cute animal, travel, technology, or business where you don't have to show your face. You might wonder how those pages make money since Instagram does not have bill and monetization like YouTube. The answer is shootouts. A shootout is a paid advertising for another page, brand, or product. To grow your page, you can DM other influencers or pages for permission to repost their clips. Once your page reaches a certain size, people will send your content to repost because it helps both pages grow. Websites like Shoot Cards allow you to buy and sell shootouts. For example, a page charging $200 for a feed post only needs to sell $2 per day to make $400 daily. Method number 7. This last method is the best. With the rise of social media, video editing has become a high demand skill, making it another way to make $400 per day. Learning video editing can be done for free online, or you can take courses to become an expert. If you charge $100 to edit a 10-minute YouTube video, editing just 4 10-minute videos can earn you $400 daily. You could have multiple clients and edit different types of content, including short-form videos. Video editing is a valuable skill that can provide a steady income and opportunities for growth. Many of those side hustles benefit from having a YouTube channel. If you want to learn how to grow a profitable Faceless YouTube channel, I have created a comprehensive step-by-step tutorial that explains everything from scratch to finish. This covers everything you need to know, so be sure to check out our other video. If you really like contents like this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so that way you can be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Are you still there? Don't forget to subscribe for more cookies. See you. Peace.